Testing, one, two. Hi, everyone, and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, darling, my name is Cameron Garrison, and I am everyone's go-to consultant on how to live your most effortlessly fabulous lifestyle. In today's video, I have a small haul. Literally, it's not really a haul. I have a bag to show you and some sunglasses. Okay, two bags. Can't decide if I should do it in one. Whatever. Darlings. First of all, it's February, so I'm gonna switch over to my pink leather card holder um, from my green leather card holder. So we'll do that real quick. Give me 1 second. I end up paying like what, 10 or 15 bucks for these. Retail 40 from the J. Crew factory if they're not sold out. Um, so yeah. I think I switched over to burgundy for a couple of weeks, but I will tell you, green is very good luck. I think it's feng shui to have a green wallet, card holder, whatever. So I will be right back in this start of March. So first things first, I would like to show you guys these. So I had been looking. First of all, I saw these on the runway. These are Max Mara. Oh, I should have started with that. Max Mara. I saw these on the runway, and I was like, oh, I'll just wait until they get to the outlet stores or whatever. They were on Max Mara's website for 140, I believe, and then I waited for them to get to Saks off Fifth. Um, and they went down. I think I got them for 89. Anyways, they are these. You know I love a bitchy sunglass, okay? So they are rounded and they have like this detail on the inside. I don't know. I thought that was very cool, almost like a butterfly. Now, when I'm a little bit overweight, they don't fit, but they're very glamorous. It's very bitchy. It's very, I live at the beach, okay? So I got these beautiful Max Mara runway glasses. Fabulous, right? I think they ended up being at Saks Off Fifth. I got like one of the last two pairs, and I think they have some there now. Also, I'm wearing these shoes today. Hey. I've only worn them like literally twice. Maybe this is my third time. Uh, I still have the size 11 and a half or 12 or whatever. Um, on my Poshmark, but I think I might have taken them off. They still have them available at Saks Off Fifth, so I'm not gonna get a good price for them. So I'll probably just sit on those for a while. I think I marked them as not for sale on my Poshmark, so nobody can get them. But Hermes has these right now. Right now, they have them. And these are, I think, from a year or 2 years ago from GH Bass. Anyways, so let's look at some new bags. All right, so this year, 2025, I like have I think three weddings. Um, anyways, and as you know, it is the year of the snake, darling. And I told you that I will only be purchasing special bags. So not only is this year all about clutches, should I do a whole clutch collection too while we're looking at these? We'll see how long this video gets. I don't care if anyone sees this video. I care that my subscribers see the video, darling. So of course the real, I went on a hunt and I found this beautiful Lanvin python, gorgeous, beautiful clutch. Now, I have already treated the leather and conditioned it, so it's looking extra better than what it was, honey. It says Lanvin on the side here. Gorgeous. And it is python. I have it stuffed, obviously, with a little air bubble thingies. Um, but I thought this would be fabulous for the weddings, at least one of them. And so this is the Lanvin Private Clutch, darling. This was made by Elber I think Albert Elbaz, Albert, whatever. He's Israeli. He was the Israeli creative director for Lanvin back in I think 2016 or something like that. I'll put a screenshot up here of the information I found out. But this comes in some fabulous finishes. So first of all, it comes in this black python. It also comes in a green crocodile, silver metallic python. There was another metallic Lanvin bag that I was going to purchase instead of this, but this one ended up being cheaper, and the other one sold, so I didn't get it. But the other one sold, and I was like, oh my god, I need to pay attention and get one of them. And then I saw this one was still available, and I was like, I have to have it. I'm not letting somebody else get this clutch. So, anyways, this comes in alligator or crocodile, whatever, python. There's leather versions. It's called the Lanvin Private Clutch. Retail, I think, was about $1,600 or $1,700. Of course, you know my little ass paid just under $80 USD, darling. Doesn't get any better than that. So this will be one of the clutches. The green one is like top of my list to have this year. So can you see it? All right. And then I was on the hunt, darlings, for a crossbody box bag by Celine in an exotic leather. Okay. I just was happened to look and I was like, oh wow. No, actually Mary's Room posted a video talking about Celine bags. And then I think, or maybe she was talking about Celine box bags. I don't know. But I ended up looking at Celine exotic Celine box bags because I'm not really into the Triomphe bag or whatever, which is the updated version of the box bag, whatever. So I'm like, God, that's so nice. For 3K, you can get a crocodile crossbody, which I don't. I've never carried my bags. I never carry crossbody bags. Okay, I have like a green one from Steve Madden that I got at like Nordstrom Rack years ago. I never used it. Anyways, so that's my thing. I never used the I never used this thing. Whatever. So I was like, I don't need that, but let me see what else is available. Now, to fill my 2016 fantasy, you guys, I saw this and I said, well, it checks a lot of boxes. Okay? It checks a lot of boxes. Um, would you like to see it? And then I'll explain what that means. I'm like, can you see the strap up there? So, in this real bag, you can see it through the bag, right? You guys, I got the 2016. I think this is still by Raf Simons. I do not think this is by Maria, whatever her name is. 2016, Christian Dior Ever in matte alligator. Now, I think it's alligator because there's no pores in the scales. But this is my new bag. It's a large Dior Ever in white alligator. I have nothing to say other than kiss my fucking ass. I have it stuffed. I've already conditioned it. So I actually got this one first, and then like a week later, I ended up ordering this one. It's in literal like there's some damage, meaning there was dirt on it. I cleaned it. There's a couple marks, whippy dippy. There's a couple marks on the bottom, whippy doopty. I mean, this checks so many boxes. First of all, my exotic Birkin dream. I don't need that. I have this. White bag. Remember last year I bought the Birkin, the exotic Birkin, um, for Beaky, and sent it back because the strap was ugly and whatever else. Why did else did I send that back? Oh, because it had a zip top and not a flap top. Anyways, um, let me just take this stuff out so you guys can see. This is why it was so cheap, because there are pin marks. Can you see? There's a pin mark in the bottom of the bag. Not cheap. I shouldn't say that because the bag was not cheap at all. But this is why it was discounted at 30% off, because um, I guess people just they can't handle a little beat up. Like this, if you wanted a beat up Birkin, this is better, cheaper. Nobody's gonna have this. No one's gonna be walking around with a white alligator Dior ever. Nobody. So it does come with a strap, which the strap's in as well, perfect condition. Um, I believe maybe some rich. So the retail value for this was between $15,000 and $20,000 in 2016. You know I don't use straps, so this will never get used. I did clean the strap as well and try to condition it and moisturize it just to give it um, just so it was, fresh. Because I don't know how long this has been sitting. I don't know, like, if this was sitting in some Asian billionaire daughter's closet since 2017 when she's like fall 2016, 2017, whatever, whenever the bitch stopped carrying it. But thank you, ma'am, for. Oh, let me show you. So it's a large. So this is going to be great for traveling. It's going to be great for. I took it to the grocery store the other day. I almost was abducted in Walmart carrying this bag, by the way. Um, but I did take it to Walmart with me the other day and Aldi, bitch. I don't care, honey. I would hit you with my bag. Do you guys remember when I used to? First of all, I used to be evil. Anyways, it has a huge slip pocket in the front, and then two slip pockets down the back, and then oh, this is the real receipt. So I ended up paying the extra $200 to be able to return it. Girl, do you think that I give a fuck to return this bag? No. This is fabulosity. And now a lot of people complained because you have to like move the handles in order to get around that. But can I tell you guys something? Um, Not only will I have pepper spray in here, there will be something else in here for your ass if you come for my bag, okay? Um, so should I do my next video on my entire exotic handbag collection? Oh, baby! While you were running around, running your mouth about me and my husband, darling, Melania was stepping into office, depositing a Trump check, honey. Donald Trump, okay? In the words of Nene Leakes, and of course I watched all the videos on white bags. Does Jamie Chua or whatever her name is, or Jamie, yeah, I think that is her name, not have a white exotic bag? I'm embarrassed for her, but she said to buy these. So I conditioned it with a beautiful, the same conditioner that I always use in my bags. I'll put a picture up of it here. But she said that she uses this on her white bags, and I thought that I could use this on the inside to maybe try to get their white erasers to maybe try to get the paint off, because I was able to use my cleanser and some of the freaking not paint, some of the ink was coming out. So I do believe that it's possible. See? Now, is that paint coming off, or is that no? That's the eraser. All right, all right, all right. Yeah, it's coming off, you guys. Honey, when your shit's top quality from the runway like this, you can fucking toss it around and throw it around and be not worried about a motherfucking thing. Oh, I will show you guys. So it does. It has a magnet on the inside, right? Obviously, but it has the buttons right here. They work. Oh, do I wonder if? No, they don't. Okay. I was wondering if that. You would think that does come. Oh, it does. You didn't know. Oh, you can get it real. Give yourself a lot of space. So this back pocket here is fully lined with suede. That's where the flap is, right? And then, bam, on the inside, you got the two back pockets, like I said, the slip pocket. I just did all these to give yourself more. Um, that's wow. Oh, I need to get in there and do some moisturizing and cleaning. I don't think I wiped through there. Okay. I didn't know it came undone. And then if you really want to give the people that tight look, that uptight look, where you can't get in there, honey, is this, I don't carry my bag empty or anything like that. This is giving empty. Anyways, I don't like that look. I'm gonna go ahead and stuff it up. It is raining here this week, so I won't be carrying it. Like I said, I did carry it a couple times last week, and that's bye. But yeah, this is my brand new, to me, Dior Ever, Christian Dior Ever in white matte alligator, and my Lanvin private clutch in black python with brass hardware. Who would have fucking knew that my most, like, I'm a gold hardware girl. So welcome you to the club, ladies. Anyways, this video is now far too long. Again, sweetie. Oh, Jocelyn, get away from the camera. She had to get her face trimmed yesterday, and she looks awful. Again, darlings, my name is Cameron Garrison, and I am everyone's go-to consultant on how to live your most effortlessly fabulous lifestyle. Now, I did want to show you guys these. I forgot about them. My white Dior, not sunglasses with the brown. Tell me they don't match perfectly. That's all I gotta say. I'll do a little spin on the way out. She's a diva. See her. Yeah, I was really concerned that I was gonna get a hunk of junk in my house at my front door, but I was very concerned it was gonna be a hunk of junk, and it is so fabulous. It's so me. Like, who would? Everyone, this is totally a me bag. But yeah, my next video I think is gonna be um, I'll do like a what's in my bag, and then I'll also do my entire exotic handbag collection. So again, thank you for watching. My name is Cameron Garrison, darling, and I am everyone's go-to consultant on how to live your most effortlessly fabulous lifestyle. Thanks for watching.